Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by combining the basics and acting immediately. Put on layered clothing and the ice blue costume so you can test movement safely. Once dressed, strike the foundational pose and practice the breathing pattern. Slow inhale for 3 counts, sharp exhale for 1 to cue your gestures. Make sure to set a short timer and keep a warm change nearby. This reduces risk and lets you iterate fast. You'll feel how posture and breath create the illusion. Repeat until the sequence feels natural. Continue by layering effects. Mount LEDs and a small fan to simulate wind and arrange reflective props to catch light. You should choreograph 3 signature hand gestures: push, swirl, trace, that, when timed with lights and breath, read as creating ice. Once done, rehearse transitions between gestures so your motion leads the effect naturally. This keeps the illusion believable from any angle. Make sure to test in dim light and adjust fan speed and LED timing for crisp, synchronized results. Finish by recording full takes and reviewing them to spot timing gaps between gestures, lights, and breath. If effects look late, slow or speed gestures by roughly 10 to 20% and retime LED sequences accordingly. Small adjustments often fix the problem. Make sure you alternate poses and perform a warming routine to avoid muscle strain. If the illusion still fails, simplify, reduce lights, emphasize one strong gesture, and rebuild complexity only after that core moment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.